Hi, I'm Tanishta, child psychologist, therapist, and interventionist. Welcome to my channel. I'm sure you must have applied the last 2 points of the video that I have discussed with you last week. And this is the concluding part of 4 biggest parental mistake in discipline. So, just for a small recap, parenting can be a very beautiful experience, it can be a very beautiful journey for both child and parents. And the two mistakes that we have discussed about is paying attention to bad behavior. Most of the parents, they give most of their attention to screaming, annoying behavior, crying, but they avoid or they rather ignore. It's not possible for them to give time to the good behavior that a kid is doing. In most of the cases, we have seen that parents give attention to the attention seeking behavior, but not to those behavior where a kid is sitting nicely, quietly, and those behavior are also to be given notice. And another point that I have discussed with you is giving in to make bad behavior stop. Parents who all means most of the time look for short term relief are in big trouble in the long run. Like if they are asking for something, or they're screaming, or they're throwing any tantrum, parents easily give up. Okay, let them give it so that they can get quiet and they will means they can carry forward with the work. But it's really a big problem when it comes with when the kids go to school or they face any authority figure. It becomes a big problem for them because they start manipulating with their behavior. So now, means continuing with the part, I will be discussing the third and the fourth. But before going into the third and fourth point, please subscribe, share, and like my video. Subscribe, share, and like my video, and do comment. That's all I want from you. So be starting with the third point, and it's not making the rules clear. In most of the houses, we have found that house rules are there. House rules are very clear. So house rules plays an important factor in case of child development. But imposing that rules clearly in front of the child is important. It will not only help your child to understand your expectation, but it also helps you to get less annoyed toward them. Because if you clear the rules, what are the rules of the house? Because your child is really very small to understand what rules are there in the house that are made by parents or grandparents, and what rules you people are following for a long time. It's not possible for them to believe or to follow. So in that case, they get confused with your expectation and they start doing mistake. Like in many houses, rules are written, like such as don't jump on the bed. After using bathroom, close the door. Wash your hand and then use the towel. These are some small example which rules are there in every house. So written rules always help to understand, to make the child understand the whole matter. It will it will lessen the stress of the child, their expectation. When your child is clear with your limitation or what are the limitations for the kid or for the child, the consequences will be different, the behavior will be different, and the behavior, what the result will be coming, that will be completely different. So you always try to make the house rule clear. not by screaming, but making your child repeating that rules again and again. Or if your child can learn, if your child can read, write it down in a paper and stick it somewhere where it is visible to him. Or you can make pictures, you can cut pictures, you can paste those pictures, what are the rules and how to maintain it. So it will help your child to understand their limitation, your expectation, and it will not only help you to be calm and quiet, it will also train your child very nicely. Like if your child is visiting anybody's house, he knows the limitation, he will not cross those lines. So it's really very necessary for every house to make a house rule and to follow it. So house rules are not only for child, this also implies to the parents or to the elder. If they follow it, seeing them, even child tries to follow it. So house rules and clear house rules are always very important. Now, not having a discipline plan. I'm sure in many houses there are no such thing. What are discipline plans? There are nothing like that. Okay, but there should be clear discipline plan for your child. As without a clear plan, there can be complete chaos. Out of desperation, you can spank him one day, and next day you are doing a timeout. Spank, anybody will understand, slapping or with beating him with sticks. But time out is to um, lessen the privileges given to a child. Like you can't see TV more than 15 minutes, or the child may be used to see TV for 1 hour, 45 minutes, or maybe 2 hours. So you can't see that, you can't use your privileges. To take out those privileges is time out. So, but if this child can get confused, like one day my mom is beating me and someday she's just using the time out, what is it? Just to avoid this confusion state, a clear discipline rule can help it, or a clear discipline plan can help a child to bring means to adopt it really nicely. So what can be done is, when you are managing a behavioral problem, it's better to be proactive rather than reactive. But in most of the house, it's been seen that parents are reactive rather than proactive. Either they beat or they scream just to stop that behavior. But ask yourself, is it helping your child? Is it helping you? Like I have seen many kids, or I had a talk, means many time, many parents keep on telling that मेरा बात सुना नहीं तो मैंने लगा दिया दो. Okay, fine, लगा दिया दो. Then it stopped completely. That's my question, and they think like, what weird kind of question is that? बच्चा है, मार तो खाएगा ही. No, बच्चा है. Why? Means if somebody give you or treat you in the way you are treating your child, that looks fair. Why we can't treat our child as an adult? I really don't understand. It's really very tough for me to understand, because we really don't expect spanking child every time they are doing mistake. Why we can't just hold on and say, okay, let us talk about this. Explain that what you are doing is wrong. Your child they are very much intelligent, they're very bright, they understand everything. You you try to discuss with them any matter. So just explain them this behavioral issue or this issue or the behavior what you are doing is not acceptable. Don't do it. Or if you do, you can't watch cartoon then. Try it. It's not that tough. It's not rocket science. Because if we treat our child, we Indian parents, we treat our child in a very weird way in the sense the way our parents treated us. Or no offense, but yeah, our parents, they have given us really good upbringing. That's why my parents have given me upbringing, but मार भी बहुत खाया है मैंने, even my brother. But that's, I keep on discussing with my mom that no, this is not the way to treat. Try to discuss with them, a lot of problem if we discuss with our kid, and they give such beautiful suggestion, and you will keep on thinking like, why it doesn't come in my mind like how they think. It's simple way, so they can adopt it easily if we discuss with them. If we tell them how is it, how can we work on it, take their suggestion, treat them as an important part. They are important part, they are special, they are very bright, very much brilliant. So discussion can sort out any problem. So what it can be means, you need to address a behavioral problem with a complete plan. Your plan should be there. If your child is doing any mischief or any negative behavior, so there should be a proper plan. It's important for you to work on that specific plan so that you know the strategy is working, and it's not only implies to you. The plan which you have adopted or the style which you have adopted, it should be shared with the caregiver, with the teachers, so that all of you speak the same language. If there are other member in your family, tell them to adopt it, to handle the matter in the same way. If 5% talking in 5 different language, implementing 5 different plan, once again the kid is confused. And then you will say that it's not working. What the hell is given? No, it doesn't work. Actually, it's a teamwork. When we want our child to adopt a plan, adopt a discipline, adopt a behavior, specifically a good behavior, it's always a teamwork. So a caregiver is needed, teachers are needed, all the family members are needed to nurture it. Specifically, some behavior means when your child is struggling with specific behavioral issues like lying, aggression, temper tantrum, so many other behavioral issues are also there. It's very essential for you to coordinate with the other caregiver to ensure that they all are speaking the same language, all are handling the problem in the same manner, in the same way you are handling. When all the adults use the same language and manner, we expect the problem to be solved much faster. This is what we can expect always. Our kids can adopt everything, but the pattern should be correct and it should be scientific. Whatever I am discussing it with you, it's scientific procedure. It has been implied to many kids all over the world, and it has been helpful. I do the same with my kid. I don't spank my kid. Time out is there. Yes, every time time out is there. When she is not listening or she is not doing anything which needed to be done, it's a time out. Less cartoon, no mobile. Now you cannot help every time, as in COVID situation, everything has become online. so you can't take that with more privileges. But she loves to play with all her toys, and so you can time out there also. Whatever, you should know you are the best teacher. Parents are always the best teacher. So you know what is the strength and weakness of your child. You can imply all the plan according to that. Do it, I'm sure you will be helpful with it. So the last part, it's this is the end of the four biggest discipline mistake by parents. I will be coming up with a new video in my next week, probably. Is probably, no, not probably. I will be coming. But I just expect some comments from you. If any subject, any topic is there in your mind, you do share. I would love to work on it and implement all this thing. I'm sure it will be helpful. If you feel any difficulty, my contact number is there, my email ID is there. You can come across. So please like, subscribe, and share, and click the bell icon so that you get notification. And bye.